This is NOAA weather radio station WXJ40 broadcasting on a frequency of 162.40 MHz from Placerwa Hill in Pembroke, New Hampshire. The following is a summary of watches, warnings and advisories in effect. For the WXJ40 listening area, a blizzard warning remains in effect from midnight Monday until 10 p.m. Monday for the following areas: in New Hampshire, coastal Rockingham, eastern Hillsborough and interior Rockingham. A winter storm warning remains in effect from midnight Monday until 10 p.m. Monday for the following areas: in New Hampshire, Belknap, Cheshire, Merrimack, southern Carroll, Stratford and western and central Hillsborough. A winter weather advisory remains in effect from 7 a.m. Monday until 10 p.m. Monday for the following areas: in New Hampshire, northern Carroll, southern Grafton and Sullivan. Here are the 9 p.m. reports from around New England. In New Hampshire, at Concord it was cloudy. The temperature was 30 degrees, the dew point 23, giving a relative humidity of 75%. The wind was northeast at 6 miles an hour, and the pressure was 30.01 inches and falling. Portsmouth cloudy. The temperature was 33. Manchester was cloudy and 30. In Lebanon it was cloudy with a temperature of 29. At the summit of Mount Washington, fog was reported. The temperature was 7 and the wind was east at 30 miles an hour, gusting to 36 miles an hour. Berlin cloudy and 16. Whitefield was clear and 27. In Vermont, Burlington was partly cloudy and 27. In Maine, Portland was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 29 degrees. Augusta clear 26. Freiburg cloudy 24. In southern New England, Boston snow flurries were reported at 34. Worcester light snow was falling and 27. Hartford, Connecticut light snow and fog 30. Providence, Rhode Island light snow 33. In Albany, New York it was cloudy. The temperature was 32 and in New York City snow and fog were reported at 31 degrees. And now here are the forecast key messages for New Hampshire and western Maine. 1. Significant nor'easter will bring blizzard conditions to coastal Maine and New Hampshire with decreasing snow/wind away from the coast. 2. Significant nor'easter will bring coastal flooding to the coast of New Hampshire and southern Maine. 3. Active pattern continues as we track a clipper on Wednesday and another more complex weather system late Thursday into Friday. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for interior southern New Hampshire, including the city of Concord. Rest of tonight, cloudy. A slight chance of snow until midnight, then snow likely after midnight. Snow accumulation around an inch. Lows around 20. Northeast winds around 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour, increasing to 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of snow 70%. Monday, snow. Blowing snow in the morning. Patchy blowing snow in the afternoon. Visibility 1/4 mile or less at times. Additional snow accumulation of 6 to 10 inches. Highs in the upper 20s. North winds 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Monday night, patchy blowing snow until midnight. Cloudy with a chance of snow until midnight, then partly cloudy after midnight. Additional snow accumulation around an inch possible. Lows around 16. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Chance of snow 50%. Tuesday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 20s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Tuesday night, mostly clear until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 7 above. Light and variable winds. Wednesday, snow. Highs in the lower 30s. Chance of snow 80%. Wednesday night and Thursday, partly cloudy. A 50% chance of snow. Lows around 20. Highs in the upper 30s. Thursday night, snow and rain likely. Lows in the mid-20s. Chance of precipitation 70%. Friday, partly sunny. A chance of snow and rain in the morning. Highs around 40. of precipitation 50%. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows around 15. Saturday through Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 40s. Lows in the upper 20s. Here is the recreation forecast for summits above 4,000 feet in northern New Hampshire and western Maine. Tonight, summits in and out of clouds this evening, then summits becoming obscured. A chance of snow after midnight. Lows around 13, except around 7 above at elevations above 5,000 feet. East winds around 25 miles per hour, increasing to around 35 miles per hour after midnight. Gusts up to 55 miles per hour. Chance of snow 30%. Wind chill values as low as 21 below. Monday, summits obscured. Snow likely. Highs around 16, except around 10 above at elevations above 5,000 feet. Northeast winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 75 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. Wind chill values as low as 24 below. Here is the recreation forecast for summits of Mount Monadnock and North Pack Monadnock Mountain. Tonight, cloudy, snow. Lows around 18. Northeast winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. Monday, areas are blowing snow. Snow. Visibility 1/4 mile or less at times. Highs in the lower 20s. North winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Wind chill values as low as 1 above. The current time is 9:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.